Hey y'all, I know long time no see, but your girl is back again with another video, you feel me? But y'all, I'm here just showing y'all how I achieved my birthday nails. It's basically a white polygel set with a whole bunch of bling, 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 wow. Okay, period. So right here, you see me just I lost the footage from my prep, but video already long enough. So right now, I'm just sharpening up the shape, crispening that shape. Okay? Look at it. Now I'm using this sanding bit and I'm just going to go ahead and blend the tip with my natural nail. You know what I'm saying? So fresh and so clean, so nice and so flat. And then after this, y'all, I'm going to go with my Young Nails Protein Bond. Y'all, that little bottle was so expensive. I don't know why I thought it was bigger, but it wasn't. So, yeah. So I'm going to go with that and then do my base coat and get right into the poly gel. Thank y'all for clicking on this video. I really appreciate all my new subscribers, all the current subscribers, and people who actually watch my content. I'm really trying to get better, posting. I'm really trying to grow my channel, y'all. So, period. But as you can see, I'm just blending that tip or whatever. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video, okay? Comment any video ideas or sets that I should attempt to do or whatever, yeah. So just keep on watching and I'm going to pop back in whenever I go to the next step, of course. Alright, y'all, so the two polygel, well, it's usually one color. The polygel I'm using is the white Rosland polygel, and I'm using 70% alcohol as my slip solution today. And this pink, y'all, it just came in the mail, pink new polygel brush. It took forever to come, but it came just in time for my birthday set. So as you can see, I'm squeezing out as much as I could get out of this container, y'all. This container was on its last leg. But I'm just trying to get a nice little cuticle area and just patting it in place. And I'm going to do more than one layer. So since I'm doing like a long nail set. And I'm just going to go ahead and try to get that all nice and flush and get a really good cuticle application so we don't have any lifting. And by the way, these nails definitely lasted 2 weeks. Some of them, a couple of the nails a little longer than that. But yeah, y'all, I think I'm really starting to get better with the polygel. I'm trying to try new things, trying to try new sets and new designs and different lengths and stuff. Just trying to get better at it, honestly. So, yeah. But as you see, I'm just going to do one layer. And then once I get a good enough layer or where I think I'm good enough, I'm going to go ahead and do a second layer and just do that on all the nails. Alright y'all, so here I'm using my 180 grit hand file to just go ahead and perfect the shape of these nails. And yeah, and if you see this one, the nail I'm filing right now, I tried to have like a silver underneath it to help conserve my gel, my polygel. It didn't really come out how I wanted it, but it's okay. But now I'm using my safety bit to go ahead and clean around the cuticle of my nails. Make sure I can get them nice and flush. No lifting, period. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. And yeah, and the safety bit came from AliExpress along with the hand files. This is a Melanie Susie, is that her name? Drill that came from Amazon, and then the gel lamp came from eBay, y'all. But here I'm using the alcohol to go ahead and wipe off that dust. And I went back in to add more layers of the white polygel because there were some spaces that just weren't right. So y'all had to go back in and perfect it because baby, these are the birthday nails, okay? This ain't no quick pop off. These are the birthday nails. So yeah. And then I'm probably going to go back and file it again. Get it all nice and smooth with my sanding bit. And yeah. And then we're almost at bling time, y'all. Like, bling was the best part. These 3D nail gems were so hard to glue on, but it was totally worth it. But yeah, like I said, you see here, I'm using my sanding bit just to go ahead and try to get it nice and smooth. It was not working out for me. Like, that nail was not working out. So I just said, forget it. Forget about it. You know what I'm saying? But I still try to get it. It still look good, though. Don't play with it. Because y'all seen the thumbnail. It look good. Don't play with me. Period. Yeah. Nail salon who? Who? Yeah. Nail salon where? At your house? You said nail salon at your house? Yeah, that's me. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and put the top coat on and put the bling 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 on. And yeah, that's the completed set. All the diamonds came from AliExpress, y'all. And they were all under $2. Period. Betty on the budget. Nail salon on the budget. And these diamonds were huge. But that's okay. And the rhinestone picker came from AliExpress as well. It's so cute. But I had to fast forward past this nail part because it took forever. I had to use polygel and glue and to stick these diamonds on because they're not like flat back, you know. But yeah, once I got it on, these came out totally cute, which you're going to see at the end. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, period. Turn on the bell for the post notifications. We're going to start posting every week, you feel me? New content weekly. Get at me. Get at me. New content weekly. Get at me. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. I hope you guys made it this far. And yeah, stay tuned for my next. Bye.